Wanna know how to access your shopping cart in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First up, you can just simply open up your wish.com and make sure you are logged in order to view your cart. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done all of that, if you're on your website, it should be on the top right around here. So you should be seeing this cart option. So you can just simply select it simply right here. And if you don't see it, just simply hover on your profile. That should be right here as well. And here you can see shopping cart. Just simply select it right here and you should be good to go. And that's it. That's how you easily view your cart details and what your cart has right now in Wish. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.